cases, and I think I gave you 1 or 2 questions for the homework.
Yes, sir.
I'm right. All right, Prerna. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes so that other student could join. Zainab probably will be joining. We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start the session. If it's okay with you.
All right, sir.
And meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can let me know. Want to discuss anything?
No, sir, I have completed all the questions.
Completed all the questions. That is
Yeah.
too good. All right. Can you wait for 2 minutes? Okay, Prerna. Let's continue. Uh, just a minute. Yeah, let's first of all give a quick recap of the previous session. In the previous class, we discussed the meaning of the debenture, wherein I told you that debenture is nothing but a certificate, or you can call it as a statement or document which is issued by the company as an acknowledgement of the long-term debt or loan taken by the company from the public. And this certificate or the statement contains all the terms and conditions in relation to the issue of debenture. It contains the what amount the company will be paying as an interest to the debenture holder, and how much amount will be repaid as a principal amount, and how after how many years the debenture will be repaid. That means the terms and conditions regarding the redemption of debenture will also be there. Okay. Then I told you that debenture is as in is a instrument which is freely transferable from one person to the other. Right. And debenture holder does not get any voting right in the company. He do not have any control in the management of the company. Neither he can intervene in the operations of the company. Neither he can take part in the the decision making of the company. And interest which is payable on the debenture is generally considered as a charge against profit. That means company has to pay the interest irrespective of the financial situation of the company, whether the company is generating sufficient amount of profit or not. That is not at all important from the debenture holder's point of view. The debenture holder will be provided with the specified amount of money at the specified period of time. Then we discuss different cases, like when the debenture issued at par, how the general entry will be done. Then we did the issue of debenture at par but oversubscribed, And then the third and fourth case we also did in the previous class. And I think we did question number 1 and 2 in the previous class itself. And I gave you question number 3 and might be question number 4 as a homework bill. If I'm not wrong.
Second and third for homework.
Second and third was homework. All right. So then you must have completed the questions right now.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts with the question?
No, sir.
No. Then in that case, we'll start with question number 4, Prerna. And it says Droga Limited issued 2019 debenture of 100 each on the following terms: rupees 20 on application, 20 on allotment, 30 on first call, and 30 on final call. Application public applied for 2400 debentures. Applications for 1800 debentures were accepted in full, and application for 400 debentures were allotted 200 debentures, and application for 200 debentures were rejected past necessary journal entries. Okay. So before attempting this question, I just wanted to confirm, do you think you'll be able to do this question? Or in fact, do you want to try this question first on your own? Prerna, what do you think? Do you think you'll be able to do? Sorry?
I want to try.
You want to try? So, okay. All right. So I'll wait for you to finish, and then if you are not able to solve it, then I'll be helping you. Okay. I'm just muting myself and giving you 5 minutes, 6 minutes to try and solve this question. This will be done just like the pro rata allotment of share. If you are able to recall, the excess amount that you receive on application, that is adjusted toward the allotment, right? So you need
Yes.
to keep in mind the pro rata allotment of share. That will be in that way you'll be able to solve this question. Done, Prerna? You're still doing it?
Done, sir.
Done, okay. And can you please tell me the entries for this question? Quickly.
Bank account debit to 9% debenture application account
Yes.
48,000.
48,000.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
9% debenture application account debit to debenture account, debenture allotment account to bank account. 48,000, 40,000, 4,000, and 4,000.
Yes, very good. Next entry.
9%
Making the allotment.
debit to debenture account 40,000. Bank account debit to 9% debenture account 36,000.
Yes, right.
9%, no. Debenture first call account debit to 9% debenture account 60,000.
Yes, 60.
Bank account debit to debenture first call account 60,000.
Yes.
And debenture final call account debit to 9% debenture account 60,000.
Very.
Bank account debit to debenture final call account 60,000.
Yes, perfect. This is the correct entry. Okay, well done, Prerna. You did it right. Now we'll move to the next question. And this is question number 5. Raj Limited issued 5,008% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5% payable as follows: 10 on application, 20 along with premium allotment, balance 1% final cost, pass necessary generally. So I think this is an easy question which I think you'll be able to solve it right now. So I'm giving this as a homework. What do you think? Do you think you'll be able to do the entries for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the screenshot quickly.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. And also read question number 6 and tell me whether you will be able to do it or not. Alok Limited issued 7,000, 10% debenture, 500 each at a premium. Of no. I think yeah, okay. 500 each at premium of 350 per debenture, redeemable at premium of 10% after 5 years. According to the term of issue, 200 was payable on application and balance on allotment. Record and freeze at the time of issue of 10% debenture. What do you think?
No, sir.
You won't be able to do it?
No, sir.
And why do you think? Why do you think that? What are you finding difficult in this question, Prerna?
Sir, debenture redeemable at a premium of 10% after 5 years.
All right. Anyway, so the period is not at all important. You have to just ignore the after how many years a particular debenture is being redeemed. That is not important for solving this question. All right, so just a minute, because you're finding this question difficult, so I'll be solving it for you. Give me a second. I want you to at least start the question, at least pass the initial entries regarding the issue of debenture. I think that much you can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just tell you the entry. Just a minute. I have to open the tab. Just a second. All right. So first of all, we'll pass the entry for the issue of debenture, right? And as far as the issue is concerned, we have issued 7,500 debentures at 500 each, on which 200 is payable on application. Entry for the same will be bank account debit, bank. You are able to see what I'm writing on pad?
Yes, sir.
Able to see what I'm writing on board? Yeah, 700 into 7,000 into 200, right? So 7 to the 14. So 14 lakh will be received on application. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Debenture application. All right, and then we'll pass the entry for the transferring of the debenture application to debenture capital account. That will be debenture application. Account debit 14 lakh to 10% debenture. This is all about the issue of debenture. Now we'll pass the entry for the debenture allotment, right? And when it comes to allotment, we will be doing the combined entries. See, it says according to the term of issue of debenture, 200 payable on application and balance on allotment. That means 300 will be payable on allotment. All right. 300 is payable on allotment. And
Yes,
apart
sir.
from this, just a minute. Yeah. So it says it is not given the question that the premium will be paid with which installment, right? Only it says the premium is payable, but it is not given the question along with which installment premium is to be received. So we'll presume that it will be received on allotment because application is given as 200 exclusive of premium. So that means the premium which is payable rupees 50 per debenture, it must be payable on allotment. Is that right? Can we presume
Yes.
that?
Yeah.
And the debenture, when it comes to the repayment of debenture, it will be redeemed at 10% premium. Okay, so now see how do I pass the entry for that? First of all, we'll have to pass the entry for making the debenture due. And for that, we'll first of all write down debenture debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture account, right? But because we have issued the we will be asking for the premium as well. So to security premium reserve will also be credited to security premium reserve account will be credited. Just a minute. I think we haven't really discussed the redemption of debenture. Just a moment. Just a moment. Yeah, I think you won't be able to do this question because we haven't yet completed case number 6. When we discuss case number 6, only then you will be able to understand the question that we are doing. I think we should not give this question right now. Shouldn't solve this question right now. I'm sorry. We have to wait a little more because this contains the provision regarding, it contains the information regarding the redemption of the venture at premium. I somehow forgot that we haven't yet covered this topic. Do you understand that, Prerna?
Yes, sir.
And because we haven't covered that topic, the redemption on premium, redemption of the venture at premium, you won't be able to solve this question. Neither I'll be able to explain it to you right now. So for that, we'll have to cover the that case 6. All right, I somehow forgot. I might have discussed this question with some other batch, and that was only in my mind, and thought that I must have completed discussed with you as well. Anyways, so right now we are skipping this question number 6, and we'll be moving to the next question. Before that, before discussing the next question, we'll have to discuss case number 5. Now see, as I said that sometime the venture is issued as a consideration other than cash. Issue of debenture for other than cash. So what happens when sometimes we purchase an asset, and instead of making the payment of the asset in cash, we sometimes issue debenture against it. Do you understand that? Let's suppose a company purchased the plant and machinery from some seller costing rupees 5 lakhs. So instead of making the payment of the plant and machinery in cash or through bank, company have decided to issue the vendor of the plant and machinery, the seller of the plant and machinery, debentures of the company. All right. So in that case, if the debenture is being issued as a consideration other than cash, then in that situation, entry will be what? First of all, we'll have to pass the entry for the purchase of asset, which I'm sure you already know that on purchase of asset, we pass the entry as sundry asset account debit to seller account or the vendor's account, right? If they have bought the furniture, we'll debit the furniture account to vendor account. And at the time of issue of debenture as a consideration for the asset, entry will be vendor account debit to certain number of percentage of debenture capital account or debenture account in fact. To percentage debenture account, not capital. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. And if see, sometime na debentures are issued at par only, then this is the generality. When the debenture is issued at par, debenture having a face value of 100 is being issued at par, that means on 100 only, then this entry, the second entry will be done. But sometimes the vendor is issued a debenture at the discounted price. In that case, this entry will be done on payment by issuing debentures at a discounted price. So entry, the first entry will be same, vendor account debit to 10% debenture, and second entry will be different, vendor's account debit to vendor's account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit to 10% debenture capital. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and when it is issued on premium, then this will be added. If it is being issued on premium, then instead of this entry, in fact, we'll be doing this entry. All right. So first entry is when debenture is issued at par. Second entry will be when this debenture issued at discount, and the third one is the debenture issued at premium. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in question based on this, sometime will require you to find out the number of debentures being issued. So to find out the number of debentures being issued as a consideration other than cash, you will have to apply the simple formula: amount of consideration divided by the face value plus premium. Or if we are issuing the debentures at a discount price, then we will have to subtract the amount to discount that we are allowing on face value. Okay, so you will get to understand this formula when we'll discuss the next question. Question number 7. We'll discuss this, but Before that, I want you to quickly note this down. If it is possible for you, kindly note this down quickly. Each line.
Yes. Done, sir.
Skip the first entry because you must have already written it. Start the second entry, the green one, and the red one.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. So that means we can start the question. And also, please note this formula as well, because this is the formula that we'll be using to find out the number of debentures being issued by the
Done, sir.
Okay. So let's do a question based on it. Question number 7. It says Joy Limited Company bought a building for rupees 9 lakh and the consideration was paid by issuing 10% debentures of the normal face value 100 each at a discount of 10%. Okay. So let's just ask the entry for it. I'm sure the question is clear. And this company is purchasing building from some sellers. Name of the seller is not given. So we'll simply consider it as any vendor. And against the value of the building, we are issuing the debentures. Joy Limited is issuing debentures 10%, 10% debenture. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
I guess the okay. So in that case, the entry will be what entry will be done? First entry will be for the purchase of the building, and second entry will be for the issuing debenture. And this will be the entry, right? Just in fact, let me solve it. First entry will be building account debit. To vendors account. Right? 9. And second entry will be for issuing the debenture. That means vendors account will be debited. To what was the percentage of debenture? 10%. Debenture account. All right. Now it is clear that the vendors to be paid 9 lakh, but how many debentures will be issued to the vendor? That is not given in the question. Only it is given that that debentures will be issued as a consideration for the building. But how many debentures should be issued to pay off 9 lakh? So in order to find out the number of debentures being issued, we'll have to apply a formula. Number of debentures issued equals to this formula will be applied. Amount of consideration to be paid. Like in this question, it is 9 lakh. And the face value of the debenture, including the adding premium or subtracting discount. But because in this question it is being issued at face value, so no subtraction and addition will be made. 9 lakh. Value of each debenture to be issued is 100. That means total of 9,000 debentures will be issued. So 9,000 into 100 each. 9. Is that clear to you, Prerna?
Yes, sir.
Done. You are writing this. Please note it if you are not yet done.
So can you explain the second entry?
Second entry.
Yeah.
Second entry. Just a minute. Did I miss anything? Let me check.
The discount is given 10%.
Okay. So this is not being issued at par, na? I'm sorry. This is being
Yeah.
issued at discount.
Yes, sir.
All right. That I thought it is being issued at par. Anyway, let me correct it. Sorry. So that means we have to do it again. See, friend, a vendor's account will be debited by 9 lakh. That is right. And because discount is being allowed, na? So we will be debiting the discount. Discount is a loss. So discount on issue of debenture is always debited. Discount on issue of debenture is how much? Discount is how much? It
1
is
lakh.
10 rupees, 10%.
10,000.
But that in order to find out the discount, we'll have to first of all calculate the number of debentures being issued. 10% debenture. All right, and 9 lakh divided by face value is 100 minus
10,
100 minus 10.
90.
So that means we will be issuing 1 lakh debentures, right? And on 9 lakh debentures being issued at having a face value of 100 each, that is 10 lakh. But we have given a discount for debenture 10%. That means on 1 lakh debentures we have allowed a discount of 10 rupees.
So 10,000.
Yeah,
10,000.
10,000. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. I think I'm a little distracted today. 10,000 into and 10,000 into 100. Right? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Are you done or are you still writing it?
Done, sir.
Okay. And could you please solve this question? Number 8.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. So could you please tell me again, please?
Plant account debit to vendor's account 6 lakh.
Mm-hmm.
Vendor's account debit to plant account and security premium reserve account 6 lakh, 5 lakh
Yes.
and 1 lakh.
That's right. Very good. Good job. Okay, so I think I have one more question for you. Question number 9, question number 10, and question number 11. Okay, there are a few more questions based on the same concept. Since we are out of time already, and the next concept is going to take some time, and I think we should discuss this in the next session only, which is case number 6. And okay, so it is going to take some time to understand. So I'm not going to cover this topic today. I'm just giving you a few questions of the homework based on the same topic that we did today. All right, so question number 9, take the screenshot of this question, please. I'm giving it as a homework.
Done, sir.
And question number 10, question number 9, 11, sorry, 11, and one more question, question number 12, I'll be giving you. Question number 12. All right, I'm pretty sure that you will be